Oh yeah, ay. When you need a hand and you don't know why, just know that I'll be there. When the road is long and you feel so tired, know that I'll be there. I'll be there, I'll be there.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick test here with the VMX12-F. Get my helmet on, run around the block a little bit. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be checking the speedometer. So I'm going to try and get in a position where you can see from the camera what's going on. But essentially what we find is, I'll show you right here, as we pitch up the power, we're really getting more of an RPM readout, is what it looks like. All right. So what we'll do is, okay, we got all that in. We are in neutral, so I'm gonna get my helmet on and we'll test it. See what speed we get versus on the phone versus what it shows on the speedometer. Hopefully I don't hurt myself. It's been a while since I've ridden a bike. I had a foot brake and a clutch. I mean, that's a whole thing for me, but get out here and practice a little bit. Get back in the groove. Stella. It's hard to see the camera too like this. Alright, so brown dope. Gotta remember, that's a brake. It does have reverse. I just am so used to pushing them out that it really is. Okay, let's see here. Ooh. All right, you guys see that? Okay, let's see what we get on it. Clutch in, first gear. But he says, I wonder, wow. I mean, from nothing, you can just, okay. Let's see what we get here. He said that second gear works well. Yeah, I'd say we're looking at more of the RPMs. Oh, oops. I forgot to start it. I don't know why this isn't running. That does not give me anything. Huh. What's up, man? But we're definitely not doing 70 or 80. So there we go. We're doing 6. Got some kick. Okay then. And 11. Yeah, so we're definitely not getting the right reading from there versus there, right? And that's not even really reading RPMs, I would say. Alright, so see what I'm talking about here, Way? I'm getting good reading on current, mileage and stuff. Obviously. Keep forgetting I got 2 brakes I gotta concentrate on. So see what we got? We're not getting the actual accurate speed because I'm doing 7 on the phone. I'm at 3. So I think we're actually getting RPM readouts because when it hits top peak in gear, right? Yeah. This might be getting hot though. Oh wow, ooh, I can feel that. You gotta be careful in first gear, that shit's gonna pop. That's gonna pop wheelies. Oh, ooh, oh yeah, oh, okay. We're gonna calm down on that. I just barely exceed the speed limit. So yeah, so we're not getting an accurate reading on the speedometer, but yeah, there we go. That gives you an idea of the kicking in. You can slide this thing so easy. That clutch. I'm gonna calm down now. You guys don't even know. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah. Okie dokie. I could just burn out on this shit. So easy. Oh, I'm not even sport mode. Holy crap. I'm not even in sport mode. So, this could actually be even faster. And I gotta say, it's a little scary even for me at this speed right now. I gotta always remember, right side brake, left side power. Lean forward. That's not even in sport mode. No! Oh, that's interesting. Low RPM. Gonna draw more current. Alright. Not bad. Actually, I like it. I'm not going real fast with it. Top 22. I'm not out here trying to blast the neighborhood away at my speed, but I'll do that later. Let's accelerate really quick though. And like I said, we're not even in sport mode right now, so we're on the slow. I don't like that. It's actually really easy to handle. It's very light. And starting third, you're okay for that power. I think I'm going a lot faster than it says though. It definitely feels a lot faster than my readout here. And what's interesting is I'm in third gear. That's pretty low, but it's still got enough power in third that I don't really need to go down. get some real speed going. I'm not, like I said, I'm not even sport mode, so that's getting me up to like probably 30 or 40. So if I kick this into sport mode, just basically doubles my current draw. Yeah, it'll be like a good 60 miles an hour, no problem. Oh yeah, electric motorcycles. Yeah, full clutch and everything. They're a lot of fun. Just test them out so far. See, so yeah, so I'm thinking what reading we're actually getting on the speedometer is actually RPM. This thing is so easy to ride. You actually don't need to use the clutch if you hit the right thing. It's electric motors, so it just jumps into the next gear, right? It's not as bad as, it's not as hardcore on the keep wanting to grab this for brake, and that is not a brake. All right. Not bad. Voltage staying up pretty good. Put up miles on it. Woo. You too. That's actually, I think I can, I need mirrors is what I want. I can see what the fuck's going on here. Let's see. Oh, look at that, it saw me. So I'm 5'6", about 200 pounds now, and this is easy for me to hold with one foot. I mean, my foot's on the ground, I can put my other down. Yeah, it's not a problem. I'm gonna go in second gear just because this sucker has a lot of power, and I don't have it registered right now, so I'm gonna get in trouble. Let's roll out here real easy like. All right. I'm in second gear. That's third. And that's fourth. Let's see where we get to on the non-sport mode. So we're hitting a little limitation here at about 30. Yeah, 29. So I want to talk to them right now, whoever that is. Yeah, so we're hitting it peg 28, 29, non-sport mode. Uphill, not bad. Alright, so let's see what happens. Now let's switch into sport mode. Oh, it lit up. And it says it's red. Oh. Oops. Well, that was my bad. Switch to sport mode. I'm gonna be a little more careful. Sport mode gives you the full 60. Woo. Go. Whoa. Yeah, the acceleration is freaking insane. This is nuts, I gotta say. This is... wow. Yeah, with that sport mode, you gotta be really careful. Whoa, on the takeoff and the clutch slip. There we go. Super sag. Voltage just cut out. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, well, that's not too good. Yeah, something went wrong. So, something happened there. We had a voltage short. I was running a little hard. So, not necessarily what you want to happen when you're riding a bike. It's interesting. Oh, the transmission just died out too. Huh. Well, that is an interesting bit. Weird. It doesn't want to go into any other gear at the moment, except for third. Okay, well. Let's see here. Is it working? Oh. It is a hot day and it's humid, so there's a possibility. There it goes. Or it was going into a safety mode. Sport mode may draw a lot of current. I will say it did start to feel a little wobbly at 50. So I mean that's something, right? Let's see here. So stances and stuff. So I will say it looks like if you drive it too hard, you can't get it to shut down and throw an error and try to protect itself, which to me is cool, because a lot of us will just drive these things out till they're freaking blow up. So I think it's good that it protects itself. I really am looking at it and thinking that we're not getting speedometer as much as we are the RPM readout. So little Vicky. Here's my buddy, actually loves motorbikes. So let's see what he thinks. It gives me a nice bit of power. It's like 51, 52 on the street. I think it probably drains my battery a little too much. I think you can pretty much just drive this thing in third gear like all day, I guess. So here we are topped out, right? So now 30 miles an hour. It's only going to let 30 amps through at 700 wagons. I need to get my thing registered. And then we'll, ooh. I wonder if I have to stop. I'll probably have to stop it to do the sport mode. Some dumbass's fucking inability. You see that shit? That sport mode, ooh, that's a gripper. Like, hold your legs tight. They're a little tuned down compared to how they can be. Threshold and cut off. I had to wait for it to reset. That's gonna happen sometimes, especially with bikes when you're really pushing them like that. So far, man, that's some good performance, I'd say. That acceleration just kicks you in the ass. And I have not even had a chance to mess with the controller yet and do any setting changes or anything. I just freaking rode it. Like, let's check it out. Oh, that's fun though. Woo! All right. Sorry to my neighbors, but man, is that fun. Alrighty. Fucking awesome, dude. Let's knock it down. Alright, so when you put the kickstand down, it will go into neutral. As you saw, we're at 53 miles per hour top speed. I got 8 miles. That's actually probably more like 10. I've only dropped, looks like 6 volts so far. And we did have 1 error. So you're going to get errors sometimes, especially... Ooh, son of a bitch. That's hot. I was really pushing it. I wasn't just riding it like normal. Woo, that's hot. So yeah, so just keep that in mind. Not bad though, all in all. I'm actually pretty impressed.
Know that I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there.